welcome back, you mini bow lovers of mini bows. And we know with Ronnie North he made this nice Minchu bows. What is special to them? First of all, they shoot very amazingly. This one made no little noise. Oi, oi, oi. So, second of all, they're exactly scale 1/3. So, all nice. So we have the Minchu, we have the quiver from Agama Green, we have the arrows, everything nice. New bows are coming, a Ming style bow is coming, and the Turkish bow in 1/3. But then you think after a while, I would like to have a target in 1/3 scale, because shooting a normal target or cardboard box is a little boring. That's what this video is all about. First thing you can do, one of the cheaper solutions and reproducible solutions. You get these baking molds, they don't cost a lot, 15 euros or something. And instead of dough, you put in some of these 2K construction foam. Then you get a bunny and a lamp. They're a little small, but it's fine, at least you have something scale-ish. So these ones you can do. They cost nothing and you can always reuse them again. That's just fine. So 30 euros or something, and then you need some construction foam. If you don't have more than 2 molds, you need to be careful that you can stop using your thingy foam and then you reuse it. If you can't, like me, I finished these 2 and then this bottle didn't work anymore. Get a small bottle. Then you get these ones and you can paint them with acrylic paint. It's a little, but works. So we see how this works. There are on the market some garden dwarfs. They are roughly almost 30 centimeters, so times 3 would be almost 90 centimeters, and I think this is a good scale, almost 1/3. So now you can get them and make them normal. You can get them, make them normal and put something in their hand. Painted, by the way, by Carida. My version. You cut this thingy and you make the Taliban dwarf. And because he is such a badass, I gave him one of my mini blades I made. So now he is weaponized. See this quiver? So now he's weaponized with a nice damask kukri. I don't have them anymore, so don't ask me. I sold him once when I was in Malta. So he is the leader of the pack. Now you have, and one of these dwarfs is, I think, 6 or 7 euros or something. So they are not very expensive. In a second, I need to put this like this, that it doesn't fall. Because he is a little overweight with the kukri, obviously. He is not balanced yet anymore. Can you stay? He doesn't stand. Okay. So that's what you get. So 6, 7 euros, one of these foam things. You can paint them, you can modify them, whatever you like. Cheap version, you can shoot surely a while on it. It's polystyrene, so styropor. It's 6.50, yeah, €6.50. So plus shipping I had to pay because here in the surroundings I didn't find them. So these are the fun targets. We get to them later. Long time ago from Black Flash Archery in Hamburg, I got this one. This material is like the 3D targets. It's already very old, very durable. We see if it even works with these arrows because it's very dense. This thing costs, I think, 60, 70, 80 euros or 100 euros, so it's quite expensive, but it's very, very durable. It's the same material as 3D targets. Has roughly 30 centimeters, is relatively thick, so you can hang it somewhere and have fun. Or I got a few with the starter sets. They are small putas, both sided, not very thick. They are a little big for scale 1/3. They would be 1/2.5 or something if you take it really seriously. But I think you get something scale-ish. So I have no idea about the prices. If you want them, you need to ask Keskin. In Turkey, I only got a few as samples, but you can ask them. Nice idea. Or of course, there are these throwing discs, 30 centimeters diameter, 6 centimeters thick. But of course I built then a nice target stand out of a bit leftover wood I had. a nice frame so you can stand it somewhere, and now you have a nice target. And 30 centimeters in the scale would mean 90 centimeters in reality, so this would be an official 90 centimeter target. And I made just some print in black and white in front that have some circles on it. That's this. And if you want to spend money, and if you have the money, there's all cheap solutions. And now look at this. One arrow fell. Arrow down. Look at this. Oi. Madonna. Look at this beast. This is from Reinhardt 3D. Oh, yeah, empty. It's too big. It's too big. It's too big. You don't see me anymore. Go away. Good that I have a table which I can modify. This is an elk in scale 1/3, meant for home 3D practice. But this one is a real elk, but in scale 1/3. Now, when you want to see how big an elk is compared to the bow, oops. This is the Minchu bow. It's a relatively long bow, and this is the elk, and then you see how large an elk is. It's quite expensive. I think it's 350, almost 400 euros, and I would wish, when you pay such a lot of money, that the painting is a little more accurate when you see the, you know, has a different color than the head. So because one is painting this and the other one is painting the head, I understand this, but it doesn't match really from the colors. But it's fine, and you can dismantle the head and the thingies, and then it's a small package. But as said, expensive, but we will see, and heavy. So, what's left to do? String your bow. Now it comes already strung. Let's shoot. Quiver of arrows, the bow. And as I mentioned once, you always should have your elbow on the ground so you have the right height for your bow. And back there is now 5 meters, would be 15 meters in hunting distance. Let's see what we get here. Oh, too low. I tell you, 5 meters, maybe a little too optimistic. Oh yeah, so the lamp is gone. Happy is the. Some are unpredictable, so you need to have a nice grip on your bow, otherwise it's not working. Oh, way too high. But you get the point, huh? Yes. So. Cheap fun for the whole family. So now the evil dwarfs, I have just a meeting there. Most importantly would be the leader of the pack, which is the Taliban dwarf. Let's see if I miss. Okay, I knocked him out, didn't kill him. He's only unconscious. The other ones are looking now. This one is gone. Oh, and the other one fell too. 2 in 1 stroke. Let's finish him. No, not yet. So of course it's better when you when you mount them somewhere on the ground or fix them somewhere that they don't fall around too easy. Nope. Last shot. Got him. This is how you take out these terrorist dwarfs. So now we have the black flash target from, I think it's Reinhardt or one of these American brands. You can hang it somewhere, but let's see if it even takes these arrows. No, see, this is too dense, I guess. So this one is not really working. Let's see again. No, it's too dense, so the arrows bounce off. Oh, I need to hit it first. Don't hit the tree. It's not that easy when you shoot from such a low position. No, so this target does not work. And I'm not talking Spanish now, but this is a puta. From a set Kiskin, was supposed to be part maybe of the starter set. Oh yeah, that sounds cool. So I'm kind of like 2.5 meters away. So it would be 8 meters, not that far. Oh, shit, she wasn't focused. So this is nice. This takes the arrows nicely. Look at this. so you want to increase your distance. Oops, gently. Otherwise you see what I mean? Happens when you get too cocky. Now one arrow is missing. So this is now almost 4 meters, would be kind of like 10 meters for starters. Quite a good thing, my homemade. Oh, going to the right. Happens with some, it's pinched through. Let's do some quadra. Yeah, look at this. This one is fun. And these throwing discs, they don't cost a lot. Almost every online shop has them, so you can just check them out. 30 centimeters. Some have already a center, some not. But this one is just fine. Thumbs up for this one. Now to the elk. I got this one from Bogensport Austria. I'll leave the link in the description to their website. If you want one here in Europe, just ask and they can organize it for you. Oh yeah, look at this. This elk is quite big, huh? No, first. No, all around the kill, huh? Yeah, look at this. We are away 3 meters something, so it's 10 meters. It's a little close, but I finish him off. Whew. Minchu, just to give you some ideas what you can do with your Minchu bow. Let's see, the rabbit. So you really can have a lot of fun with different targets. Rabbit, yes. Butter. Ui, a bit sideways. My one. Yep. The elk. Ui, too high. Hustro. So then the lamp will go away. Ah, look at this little follow through. Bunch of fun. There you have it. You can have a lot of fun. Take a quiver. We have some. Ronnie is selling them, made by Agama Green, but you know them. I made a video about it. Don't step on the arrow. You know the Minchu bow. I made several videos, but I put them in the description so you can see it again. Get one. This is now the Minchu, the Manchu, the mini Manchu. Then we get now a Mongolian, slightly different, no string bridges. And then we get a Turkish one, so stay tuned. We get a lot of more bows. And I showed you now a few targets where you can have a lot of fun with, from cheap to expensive. Everything is possible, and I'm sure you have other ideas, so it would be nice if you put them down in the comment section below, so we can all participate from your ideas. Thank you, Ronnie, you're awesome. Thank you, Agama Green, Melanie, you're awesome. And thank you all for watching. You are, of course, legends, all of you, especially when you like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.